Let me show you how to make this delicious moi moi using nylon. This recipe is easy to make and also straightforward. So these are the ingredients needed for your tasty moi moi. You have to soak your beans for 15 minutes, wash your beans and soak it inside water for 15 minutes. This will make the beans soft and also make it double in size. I also have salt, I have my seasoning cube, I have paprika pepper, 2 bulb of onions, I have my vegetable oil and I have sardine. You can use fresh fish for this. So now I'm going to add the pepper and slice the onions inside the beans. After doing this, the next thing is to transfer this into the blender, add some water, add enough water to blend, then blend this into a smooth batter. After blending, this is what my batter looks like, not thick and not too watery. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to use my whisker to stir this together. After stirring for a few minutes, I'm going to add in my seasoning cube. I'm using just one seasoning cube because beans already itself is sweet. You don't need too much seasoning cube. I also added salt and I'll make sure I mix this together till the seasoning cube and the salt is well incorporated in the batter. The next ingredient to add now is the vegetable oil. Stir this together well and make sure your vegetable oil is well mixed in the batter. Now it's time to open up the Titus sardine, then I'm going to mash this a bit. While my ingredient is almost ready, I'm going to pour in some water in a pot and set this on fire to start boiling. Now it's time to transfer the batter into the nylon. I'm using this nylon called ice water nylon. So you're going to open up your nylon like this, then scoop in enough batter. So now after adding the butter, I'm going to put in some fish into my butter. Then now it's time to tie this. When tying this, make sure there is no air in your nylon. See how I'm squeezing out the air? That is how you should do also when you are cooking your moi moi with nylon. Then go ahead to tie this. Make sure it's not too tight, like there's no air in the nylon. Just make sure it's as soft as this. So here is another illustration. Make sure you look closely, pay attention so that you don't make moi moi that will burst inside the water. Pour in your batter in the nylon, add your fish, your egg, whatever protein you want to add, then tie the nylon. Don't let air be in the nylon this way. Let out the air and go ahead to tie your moi moi. And that's what I would do to the rest of the batter. And this is what I got. I think I got 8 nylon of moi moi. So now it's time to transfer this into the boiling water. Now cover this up to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, my moi moi is ready. And this is what it looks like. Perfect color, perfect texture. And because I soaked my beans, you can see how the moi moi doubled in size after cooking. So let's bring out one and see the end result of our tasty and delicious moi moi. So this is the end result. Very soft, very fluffy. This is what the Yoruba call olele, because another name for moi moi is called olele, like soft. I don't know the meaning, but I feel it means soft. This is the end result of the moi moi, soft, juicy, tasty, and everything good. I hope you try this recipe and drop me a comment of the outcome of Moi Moi. Like, come your way next time. Stay safe. Bye.